Hey guys, welcome to Spain. What comes to your mind when you think of Barcelona? Stunning work of Antoni Gaudí? Delicious Spain dishes and charming historical street, am I right? But what you actually see are people. People and more people. What if I tell you you can get away from all the tourists and have a true Spain experience? Dive into the Mediterranean Sea, enjoy local seafood, and stroll down medieval cobblestone streets. Yes, I'm talking about Girona and Costa Brava. If you're looking for an escape from the overly crowded Barcelona, you're in the right place. We took an early train up north to Girona. You can find out which train to take and the timetable via a quick Google Map directions search. The train ride is about an hour and it costs around €12 one way. Girona is a gorgeous place to visit, with medieval walls and narrow winding city street, and is one of the best preserved Jewish quarters in Europe. We check out the most popular Red Eiffel Bridge. Yes, you guessed it right. French engineer Gustave Eiffel constructed this bridge just before the Eiffel Tower. If you are a Game of Thrones fan, then you need to check out these steps at the Girona Cathedral. Perhaps this will ring a clue. Girona was a major filming location for Game of Thrones Season 6, and you can see why. If you want to see all the filming spots, the best way is to sign up for the Game of Thrones walking tour. We took a coffee break at the main square in town, Plaza Independencia, before our journey to Costa Brava. So, Costa Brava is a coastal region of Catalonia in northeastern Spain. It is in the province of Girona and stretches from the town of Blanes to the French border. There are many tourist towns in this region like Lloret de Mar, but if you want a quiet getaway, I suggest PalaFrugell. The majority of the houses here are vacation homes, so this is the getaway location for the locals. From the Girona train station, take bus 42 towards PalaFrugell. The bus ride is about an hour and the bus fare is €660 one way. By the way, if you have the right driving permit, consider renting a car and have a fun road trip along the coastline. The bus will take you to the main bus terminal in PalaFrugell, and you can take a quick taxi ride which costs about €13 to Calella Beach. Pro tip: ask the taxi driver for his number so you can call him to pick you up later. We had a late lunch at Soimar Calella, and honestly, it was the best meal we had in Spain. Oh, that ceviche was the bomb. And look at this view. By the way, say hi to Ross when you come here. He is amazing. After lunch, we strolled down around town to soak in the sun and walk off the gallery before diving into the sea. So don't forget to pack your swimsuit for this day trip. Did you know that you feel a lot lighter when you swim in the Mediterranean Sea compared to swimming in the ocean because it's saltier? It was the perfect day trip. Having been to many cities in Europe, I started to get a bit bored of big cities, especially since they're so crowded wherever you go. These cities all have their own uniqueness, but at the same time, many things in common. They all have cathedral, basilicas, large square, various museums, big shopping districts. So it is refreshing to check out a small town once in a while and get away from the crowd. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know if you plan to come to Spain anytime soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.